Trying to power on your Canon Pixma only to find nothing happens cannot be good, especially when the printer stays completely unresponsive or shows no lights at all. Many users notice the power button doing nothing, the printer refusing to wake up after being idle, or the device suddenly stopping after working perfectly earlier. Sometimes the Canon Pixma seems completely lifeless even though it remains plugged in. In many situations, a Canon Pixma not turning on issue can happen because of power connection interruptions, adapter problems, temporary internal glitches, or outlet related issues. Before pressing the power button repeatedly or disconnecting random cables, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the Canon Pixma turning on properly again. 1. Check the Canon Pixma power cable carefully and confirm it stays connected securely to both the printer and outlet. 2. Try a different wall outlet because temporary power interruptions may stop the Canon Pixma from turning on properly. 3. Disconnect the Canon Pixma from power briefly and wait a short moment before reconnecting everything normally. 4. Press and hold the power button on the Canon Pixma for several seconds to refresh startup communication. 5. Turn the Canon Pixma on again and confirm whether lights or startup sounds appear afterward.